Okay, so we've made our animated door, but there's a couple of things that we need to do. So let's zoom out of here. First of all, it'd be nice to add some extra polish to our level, and we can do that by adding some animated objects that have already been pre-animated in another animation package using Bones. And I've already got one of those already. So if we look at animated assets folder, we've got an animated flag, and if we open that flag up, you can see this is the flag and it's got animation inside it. If I clicked on the animation node there, you can see that the animation, and this is using Bones inside 3ds Max, and it's been imported in. So we've got a nice little flag going there. So we can close that. So you just drag the flag into your level. As you can see, the flag is quite large. You can scale it down, so I'm just going to scale it because I want these flags to be on the tops of the turrets. So I'm going to scale those down. And then I'm going to just position those on the turrets. You might want to move your view around, zoom out a little bit, just to position your flags where you want them to be. Let's see what that looks like. It needs to be just maybe a little bit more centralized there. Okay, so we've got our flag. And if you look at the details panel of the flag at the top on the right hand side, there's an option called animation. Now the default one is animation blueprints, which is a way to control what the animation does, but there's a drop down option which says use animation asset. So select that, and in the animation to play option, drop that down and you'll find flag animation sequence. So select that. Okay, and it's already set to play and also loop inside the level. Okay, so we click on play. You can see if we look up, there's the flag blowing in the wind. Okay, and all the other bits are in place. Door opens. That's it. Okay. And the last bit of thing, you probably noticed that we can duplicate things. So if I select that flag, press the Alt key, I can duplicate a new one. Okay. And we'll just position that. Just put that in position. Now we've got a slight problem because both these flags will animate exactly at the same time. We want to change that. So you can see here initial position. So if we go back to the flag and go to the animation, you can see if we start this flag in the center, so 0.5. So let's go back to here. So instead of the 0.5, now that flag will be in a different position than this flag. So let's test that. Let's scroll to the castle, have a look. As you can see, the two different flags are slightly out of sync, so it looks a bit more realistic. Okay, so that's how you add your animated flags to your scene.